Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be playing around with Netty Bird's Feminine Energy palette for the second time. So would you guys like to see the look I come up with? If so, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name's Alli and I'm very happy that you're here. So today we are going to be using Netty Bird Cosmetics, which I absolutely love this company. They are an indie brand and they have some of the most beautiful palettes right now. And this is the Feminine Energy palette. And let's just jump into it. So the first color I'm going to grab, I'm going to go with this dark purple right here. And let's see what we can do. So has anybody heard of Netty Bird before? If you haven't, you have to go check them out. And their palettes are extremely reasonable for a price. Right now, they are having a sale. So I recommend heading over there and just checking them out. Their Lippis are great and their palettes. That's what I know, or what I own from the company right now. And the company is also a faith-based company. They're Christians. And they are just like the most nicest people in the world. I really love the team. They have been nothing but so kind to me since I've talked to them, you know. I gotta make sure I don't bring my makeup up to my bone line, as Henry would say, from Hank and Henry. This color is just so gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. So the next color I think I'm gonna go in with is this right there. It's like a lilac shimmy. Oh, it blends in perfectly with this color. This is such a gorgeous color. Look at that. Beautiful. Excuse my sniffling, my allergies are really bad right now. This is stunning so far. Look at it in both ways. I love Netty Bird. You've got to buy at least one of their palettes. I really want to get, they have a blue one, an orange one, and a green one. and they're all just amazing colors, but right now I know the green and the orange are out of stock, so I'm waiting for them to restock with those ones. So I'm gonna go in with that purple again. I think I'm gonna actually blend it out a little more. I'm having no fallout, which is wonderful. There's that. And I think I want to go in with one more color because I'm really just liking this look with this two-tone. I think it's really pretty. Sorry, it takes me a little while because I have an artistic eye and then my one eye is bad. So it just takes a little longer for me to do my eyeshadow. I love these colors and it matches my new bathing suit I got, so that's why we're going with it today. They're very feminine. And I think I want to bring some of this nice pink, soften it up a little bit. Wow, that's gorgeous. You know what? I'm actually going to put some glitter on my eyes as well. And I'm going to go in with this really light lilac right there. And just bring it up a little bit of it. You know what? We're going to go for it. Why not? Right? Can't have too much glitter. Never can. Alright. So you see the glitter? I didn't even have to put on glitter glue, which I was thinking about doing, but it's staying right on. So there you go, beautiful. So I'm gonna apply some purple eyeliner I bought from Wet n Wild. Oop! And I don't know if it's any good. Let's test it out in the hand first. I just got it all over me. This is something you definitely have to build up. It's very streaky. So the product itself is a pretty color, but it's very watery, and like I said, you have to build it up. So we will try this one. We're gonna attempt this and see how it looks. This is very difficult to use, to be honest with you. It's going with the look, I'll tell you that. It looks good. But I am gonna have to do a few layers. We're almost done with the eyeliner. I'm sorry guys, it's taking a little bit. It's just the product. It's Wet n Wild and it's really not the greatest. So, I don't know about this one, if I'd recommend it. All right, we're gonna leave it at that and let it dry, and then maybe go back over it again. So the next thing I'm gonna use is Kevin Aucoin's The Expert Mascara. This is a really good mascara. He's a makeup artist, if you don't know who Kevin is. Kevin Aucoin. And there you are. I love the bristles on this one. And as you can see, it applies beautifully. So there's one eye so far. If you have long eyelashes, this is a great mascara for you because it really brings them out. I'm sorry. Alright guys, I'm going to go clean up the eyeliner a little bit. Like I said, it was messy, very watery, and I wouldn't buy it again. Let me go put on my falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is my finished eye look. A lot of the purple eyeliner was just running, so I took a Q-tip and got rid of a lot of it. I just don't feel like hassling around with makeup that's going to burn my eyes. for no reason. Now the last step is a Lippi, and I do have 3 of their colors, and I think they're numbered. This is number 1, which I think I want to use. Then we have number 2, which is a berry, and then we have number 13, which is a real plum, a real deep plum. And I love their Lippis. They're great. So I'm gonna go in and apply it, number 1. And there we have it. We just came up with another great Netty Bird look, which I am so excited. It came out grand, as always. Netty Bird, thank you guys for having such an amazing cosmetic line. I absolutely love your line, and I can't wait to be able to get more palettes once you have them back in stock. So please get them back in stock as soon as possible. If you guys like, please like, subscribe, comment. Alright, so I will see you guys later. Alright, bye.